In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to force a direct download link from Google Drive. By the time we finish, you'll be able to transform any shareable Google Drive link into a format that initiates downloading immediately, bypassing the usual viewing and preview screens. This can be incredibly useful when you need to share files quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you need to get the shareable link from Google Drive for the file that you want to share. To do this, open Google Drive and locate the file you'd like others to download. Right-click on the file, and from the menu that pops up, select the option labeled Get Link. This action will generate a link for you to share with others. But before sharing it, ensure that the permission settings are suitable for your purpose. You'll want to make sure the permission is set to anyone with the link. This particular setting ensures that anyone who clicks on your link will be able to download the file without having to request additional access. Adjust this according to the visibility you need. But remember, the broader the access, the easier it will be for others to download. Once you have the sharing link, the next step is to extract the file ID from the URL. When you get a shareable link, it will typically have a structure like this: https://drive.google.com/file/dfile-id-view USPE sharing. In this URL, the file ID is the segment between D and view. This unique identifier corresponds to the specific file you are sharing. Note this file ID down, as it is an essential piece of information for constructing the download link. Now that you have the file ID, it's time to build the direct download link. What you're aiming for is a URL that looks like this: https://drive.google.com UC export download an ID file/ID. Replace file ID in this template with the actual ID you copied from your shareable link. This new URL will bypass the Drive preview and directly initiate a download when clicked. This format is particularly helpful when you're distributing files to users who might not have Google Drive accounts or who need to download multiple files efficiently. They can simply click the link and skip right to downloading, saving time and hassle. And there you have it. With just a few simple adjustments, you've transformed a standard shareable link into a direct download link. By constructing the URL manually, you're ensuring a seamless experience for others to access and download your files. It's a straightforward yet powerful way to enhance your file sharing capabilities with Google Drive. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide makes your next file sharing task that much easier.